They have failed in all aspects. The Chief Minister has not visited one district. He has not reviewed education, he has not reviewed health, he has not reviewed agriculture, he has not reviewed NRIs. Telangana has second largest number of NRIs in Gulf after Kerala. Kerala has a beautiful policy. Telangana, they just promised. Before KCR promised, he did not deliver. There he has cheated NRIs. Revant is cheating NRIs. And he has not focused on basic administration and basic departments till now. And he started this Hydra. I am asking him straight, will your Hydra JCB get into Asaduddin Owaisi's constituency? Will you dare to step in there and clear encroachments? Would you dare to do that? Without going to Old City, without clearing encroachments in besides Musi in Old City? Is it possible? He doesn't have a proper policy, no industrial policy, no agriculture policy, no reviews. There is the collapse of basic administration in Telangana. All his promises, none of them have been fulfilled. He has cheated farmers, he has cheated women of Telangana. You all know what the promises were. 4,000 rupees pension, 2,500 rupees of for all women. Then about 2 lakh rupees of loan waiver. It was loan waiver reached only 20% farmers, 80% farmers it has not reached yet. 15,000 rupees in this what do you call Raitu Bandhu, helping the farmers before the sowing of this thing. So that has not been started. 500 rupees bonus for paddy. No, he is not started yet. Almost 3 crops are over now after he took over as Chief Minister. He's cheated farmers, he's cheated women, he's cheated NRIs, he's cheated the youth.
Yesterday they inaugurated the new Telugu Talli statue in front of
I don't want to get into the statue politics. I don't want to get into the statue politics. The controversy is having hand. He's removed our traditional Batkama mana emantaru Batkama festival she used to hold Telangana Tali. He removed it and he's put it as a hand. Is that what you intend to do politics with statues? And even our Yadadri temple, the pillars, KCR, the pillars carried car, his electoral symbol, KCR's face with very big nose. Are these required? Focus on administration, no?